Hey guys, we have some incredibly exciting news to share with you. During our recent 412 Global Online Gathering, we made a call asking for you to give to the 412 Partners Relief Fund.
The response has been incredible. We have seen over $56,500 come in already towards the fund, of which $15,500 has already been allocated to churches across our field.
In total, we have provided financial aid, food parcels, PPE to over 33 churches in 8 regions across South Africa, India, Zimbabwe and Zambia.
Thank you for partnering with us in remembering the poor. We look forward to sharing testimonies with you of how lives have been impacted as a result of your partnering and your generosity.
Keep an eye out on our various online platforms for more updates and the latest news. For those of you who'd like to give, you can still do so. For details, please visit the 412 website.
Thank you so much again for partnering with us in what God is calling us as 412 to into the nations.
And we do look forward to seeing you in the nations.